My name is Dennis Trotman and I'm heading up strategic acquisitions for Octet Supply Chain Accelerate. Supply chain finance, in simple terms, is a set of technology-driven processes that link all parties in one transaction, the buyer, the seller, and the financier, in order to optimize working capital and create process efficiencies. Octet Supply Chain Accelerate is a fast and flexible working capital solution, unlike anything currently available to medium to large businesses in Australia. The seller is paid 100% of the invoice value up front. Meanwhile, the buyer can pay later, where the fee can be borne by either party or split as a percentage. The top three benefits for a buyer of Octet Supply Chain Accelerate is increase in cash flow, is an extension of days payable outstanding, and the mitigation of supply chain disruptions. The reason why Octet Supply Chain Accelerate is different specifically for the seller is they get 100% upfront, as opposed to typically what we see is 80% in the market for data finance, and there is no formal credit process that they have to go through. What it means for the buyer is that it may be deemed as an off-balance sheet funding solution, which means they would also comply with existing bank arrangements. Octet Supply Chain Accelerate really suits most industries, from healthcare to pharmaceuticals, retail, and manufacturing. In order to qualify for Octet Supply Chain Accelerate, we simply will need to have a look at your latest audited financials that we check against our internal credit rating. Octet brings power to businesses with Supply Chain Accelerate, a world-class funding solution that makes transactions fast, simple, and safe.